This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Okay, so we're going to do a quick comparison of the display brightnesses. Okay, let me lower the volume here. Okay, let me lower the volume here. Let's switch over to the 7800. Bring up the volume. Okay, here is the Icom 7800 Mark III.
Once a year, anyway. Not so much the suspension that bothers me, it's the throwing them around.
And you're listening on an SP20. And it is 5:27 p.m. on Thursday, December 12th, 2024. Okay. We're now going to lower the volume. And we're going to switch over to the, let's go over to the Icom 7700.
If you buy a newer one, you're just going faster. It takes the same deal.
Gary, what's your preferred sled for someone with a real bad back?
You come in and let you see it.
A long track with air ride. A one-horse open sleigh.
Okay. That's the 7700. Let me lower this. Flip the switch. Bring up the volume.
You know, the honest truth is,
this is the 7850 limited edition.
2010 are pretty good. You know, the newer you get, a little bit better they are. But
here is the display.
Good now. It doesn't matter what brand they all ride pretty decent.
Hey, Mikey. Yeah. Oogie's got a water bed you can use. No, I'm all set with that.
Okay. Now let me just show you the displays at the same distance. This is the 7850 limited edition. Here's the 7700. Notice the contrast is about 12 o'clock, a little bit before 12. Brightness is about 2 o'clock. And here is the 7800. Contrast is about 2 o'clock, and the brightness is at 2. And once again, here is the 7850. Brightness and contrast are both at 12 o'clock. Now, when we look at them,
I forget the MP. You got a little more, a few extra bells and whistles than the D. I can see it better too. Aren't they the same size? You can see the MP
I think
better than the D?
in the order, the camera is showing a little bit different what I'm seeing, but there is no question that the 7850 limited edition is sharper and considerably brighter. Then the 7800 would be next.
Anytime soon.
And the 7700 would be after that. I'm moving back and forth so I'm trying to see if you could see. This is about 2.5 feet away from the radio.
What was it, the 2000, what was the 200 watt version of the Yaesu? Was it the 2000? The Mark V? Or the 2000D? Yeah. Yeah, the FTDX, the FT2000, yeah. I'm glad I didn't buy one. I heard they were crap.
So that's basically it.
When I first got in the hobby,
I don't know if that, shows you any display difference. But we'll say best 7.3. from N2LEN. Happy holidays, everyone.